Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Friday. Today, we're going to learn about the vowel team OY. OY says oi like in boy. Position at the end of a word. Boys and girls, pick up two fingers and trace OY with me. O, Y says oi like in boy. Position at the end of a word. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to teach you how to code the vowel team OY. We know when we don't know a word, we find our vowel. And here I see O, and here I see Y. That's my vowel team. I underline it, and I write two V's. I know OY says oi, like in boy. So now I read my word, oi, boy. Watch me code and read the words below. When we don't know a word, we find our vowel. We look next to our vowel. We see a vowel team. We see the OY vowel team. I know, and you boys and girls now know, that OY says oi. So now I'm going to read my word, oi, toy. Next one, I see my O. I see the Y. That's a vowel team. I underline the vowel team and I write two V's. Here I see a blend, so I scoop it up and I read it like this. Cloy, cloy. Boys and girls, what did we learn today? We learned about the vowel team OY. We now know that OY is seen most of the time at the end of a word, and it says oi. So when we see OY, we see it at the end of a word, and it makes the oi sound. Now, boys and girls, I want you to go ahead and try it. I want you to code it, code the words you see on the screen, read them, take a picture, and upload them onto Class Dojo. Remember, when we see a vowel team, we underline and we write two V's. And on the bottom, I want you to review these words you see that we have learned. I want you to code them and read them. Bye. Have a great day.